Yeah, that stuff's good, but overdone. Dude, oh, JS7 compression jersey. Gotta hold in that realtor flub, you know what I mean? Dang, that was so fast.
Oh shit. Yo!
What's up, buddy?
I'm just working away, you know.
I'm kind of feeling a little overworked over here. Might need a little escape from the real world. Was thinking about getting back on the horse.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
Yeah, but I don't have a bike, so.
I got a couple white ones. They're good quality ones too.
Hey man, that's all I rode for 10 years was white ones, so I guess I'll see you in 10, huh?
Sounds good. We'll see you in a little bit.
Whoa, dude! You weren't kidding.
I told you I had a couple white rigs you can borrow.
White, but a little closer to my era, maybe?
About the same age as you.
It's true. I'm decent. I mean, they're calling me dad, but I'm still whooping up on some people. So let's see what we can make these ponies do. Gasoline's flying out of here. I hit a log and gasoline just goes flying. For being about as old as me, it feels about as good as I do coming off the couch. She can handle it double. I think I'm underestimating what this thing can do, honestly. I mean, that's 2 laps in, straight off the couch. With a bike that's as old as me, we're like on equal playing field. This is like a great relationship in the making. This is like finding your soulmate. You know what? The bikes they made back in the day though were pretty good. Like pretty rider friendly. If I could adjust the forks a little bit, maybe revalve the shock, I think we got a product here. Probably a winning one. Winning product, I believe. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm close. It's hard to get it out of your blood, you know, something that you just like to do, and if nothing else right now, it's just a form of exercise. If anything, if I was to ride and get back on the bike, and something to break up the phone calls and the emails and and all that goes on, right? And riding is just a really good outlet for that. You know, something about riding a motorcycle that when you put the helmet on and you go down the trail, everything else disappears. Like, there isn't too much else going on in your mind if you're really focused on what you're doing. And so when that happens, it puts yourself in the most like purest form of living, which is living in the moment. You know, you're not thinking about the past, not thinking about the future. You're just thinking about what the present time, what you're doing. And it's a big outlet, you know, for me, and I'm sure for a lot of people. Being super like blessed to ride for Husqvarna, Rockstar Husqvarna for 10 years. But at the same time, you know, had golden handcuffs, I like to call it. You know, it was like I had this deal where I was paid to race and do this certain stuff, but a lot of things that I wanted to do over those 10 years, like between making videos or going off the walls and different things, just never really didn't have a chance to do as much of it as I probably would have liked to have pushed for. I hadn't ridden another motorcycle in 10 years. I haven't been on a different bike. I literally haven't swung over a leg over another motorcycle in 10 years. So the white fender thing was, and I was through 5 different frame changes and frames from that first year, where it was kind of a Husaberg Husqvarna / motorcycle. And then it started to, you know, show its own brand and go off of more like the KTM builds, bike builds. And so those frames started to be the same and similar, and then we saw the progression of those. So through 5 different frame changes, I never saw a different front fender. I never even thought about riding a different motorcycle. But yeah, I mean, sometimes I think change is a good thing.